Beautiful morning here at Dynamic Machine. Just gonna do a brief tour. That was machine number 1. Here's machine number 2. And this past week we had our 3rd machine installed. And we got that sitting right over here. Anyway, just decided to come in this morning, do a little bit of work. And it's a beautiful day when you can sit here. One guy, 1, 2, 3 machines running. We don't often get it to where the parts we're cutting can produce at that level, but it is a fun time when you can make machines do the bulk of the work and take a lot of the labor out of it. You know you've got something well dialed in. It's always the goal to attain that level of efficiency in our work. So anyway, here is our new machine running, and looks like our text gets backwards. I'll have to look and see in the final cut of this if that's the way it ends up. But anyway, cutting big long steel bars right now. They don't look like much. When they're all said and done, got to cover up the name of the company on here, but anyway, that's what it'll look like. Over here, I'll show a couple other parts that we got going on. A couple blocks there in various states of machining. This job over here, we're cutting some 4140 steel, and I got the first op. It's pretty basic, just a simple square part. Second op, we get a little more detail in the end. And then third op will be coming up, finish out the final shape on it. And just give an idea of what we look at. Our parts, this is our parts rack. Right down here is all our raw blocks. You know, raw chunk of steel comes in, looks ugly. Well, that's all up to perspective, right? Then we start working our way, cutting, finishing parts. And we have, you know, nice, beautiful, shiny brackets, and I mean, you name it, all different types of parts we do. But to give you an idea, here's our rack of parts, all finished parts. I'll just give you a close-up shot. Racks of finished parts, beautiful sight. Anyway, so yeah, we've added on a little bit of space, increased our floor space, added a manual lathe over here in the corner, and got one of our main bench tables where the guys work on polishing parts, sandblaster, and yeah, it's kind of exciting times here at Dynamic Machine. So, brief update where we're at, what we're doing, and excited about this coming year and what we're going to be doing. So, there's the shop.